Pump SPY video part 1. I'm going to be talking about the way I set up this device called a Pump SPY. It'll alert me when my sump pump's not working right. And this is my internet connection. This is the second part of the system. That is an APC battery backup unit. The modem and my Wi-Fi router are plugged in down there into the battery output. Modem, router, cable modem to NAS isn't part of this. And the UPS just plugs into the wall like a normal power strip. They do have a battery in it, usually lasts 3 years or so, depending on usage. Sometimes it lasts a little longer, depending on brand too. Sometimes it varies, but usually these test by themselves. If not, you just unplug it once in a while. And this is brand new, so they'll just keep going. Those are still going. It's unplugged. Usually if at some point they also start to beep at you so you know you lost power. Usually they'll start within the first 30 seconds or so. This one I'm not exactly sure. You can see it's blinking though, so that might be its alerts there. Then you plug it in and really click back in, you know it's online. Everything else is online, never went out.